Hi everyone, it's James from Fun Foods, and today I'm going to review this CUISINART ice cream maker. It is a 2-quart ice cream maker. Let's open it up and see how it looks inside. And of course it comes with an instructional guide book, packaged pretty nice. Here's the top. And this is the internal part. This is the part that's going to make the ice cream nice and cold as we churn it. It has a liquid in there. We do have to freeze this first. I'm going to double check the directions, but I believe it's 12 hours. Okay, so the freezing time for the bowl, they say between 6 hours and 22 hours, so 12 hours should be plenty. And of course we have the base part of our machine. This part has all the controls on there. Now this model comes in a couple different colors. I got the red and stainless steel. Now what we're going to do is make an ice cream recipe. They have plenty of ice cream recipes in this CUISINART instruction pamphlet. So we're going to make the vanilla ice cream from the pamphlet. I already have a large bowl here. I put 1.5 cups of whole milk in there. Now we're going to add 1 1/8 cup of sugar and then 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. And just 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You can use a hand mixer. We just want to mix this until all that sugar is dissolved. Now we're going to come back to our ice cream machine, plug it in, and we have our inner tub that was in the freezer overnight. Put that in there. And we have our agitator, I guess it's called. Put that in there. Put your top on. I'm going to turn the ice cream maker on, and I have put my ice cream mix into a bowl that has a pour spout just to make things a little easier. Let's turn it on and pour it in. Now, according to the directions, it should take 20 to 25 minutes for us to have the perfect ice cream consistency. After about 15 minutes, you can see the consistency is looking good. Another 5 more minutes and it'll be perfect. Now that's done, we're going to take off the top. You can see the consistency is really nice. Here's my tiny spoon, soft serve ice cream. I'm going to give it a try right now. This is really good. I like this. You can put the rest into a freezer safe dish and keep it in your freezer and dish it up just like you would any other ice cream. Our ice cream machine made really good ice cream. About 25 minutes is a perfect time, I found. That vanilla ice cream was amazing. I do highly recommend this. It really takes your ice cream to the next level. So thanks for watching.